Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Kearia and this is my channel, Hey Ki. If you are a current subscriber, hey you guys, welcome back. How are you? So as you can see in the title of this video, we are doing a self-care, self-love, self-confidence, spiritual bath, goddess bath. I don't know what I'm going to name this video just yet. I haven't put like a spiritual bath video on my channel in like over a year. So if you are interested in seeing how I do my spiritual bath, keep watching this video. So let's just roll the clips. Let's get ready. Okay guys, so let's get into this bath. So as you can see, these are all of the ingredients that I'll be using for my bath for today's video. So I have my tub nice and clean, and I do have a few roses and some eucalyptus and like a fresh plant. I do have a couple of candles on the side. So the tub is prepped and ready to go for the bath. So now I'm just running my water. For my baths, I really like very, very hot baths. I don't know why, but I just love being like soaked in hot, hot water. I cannot stand cold bath water at all. Now I'm just cleansing the air, cleansing my space, cleansing the bathroom. I know I said cleansing like 3 times. I know, please forgive me. But yeah, just cleansing the space. Just having like a positive mindset while I'm doing this. So with the sage, it actually cleanses like all of the energies out. And now I'm coming back and using my Palo Santo's incense stick. And the Palo Santo actually brings back all of the good energy. So now that's what I'm doing just for the purpose of my bath. Like I got rid of all of the energy and now I'm bringing back the positive energy with the Palo Santos. So now that the vibe is right, now we're actually going to start dressing my bath. So as you saw, I'm using the Aveeno. I'm using like an oatmeal pack. I do have dry skin. I've mentioned it on a few of my videos. I actually have eczema. So these are really, really good for people with dry skin. I strongly recommend them. It just brings moisture back into the skin. So now we're going to use some Epsom salt. So I actually put my Epsom salt in like an old candle holder. So that's actually where I got this from. It's like an old candle glass or whatever. And this is the Dr. Teal's, I believe it's shea butter and almond oil. It smells so freaking good. Like it's very, very light. It's not as perfumey. It smells so clean, so soft, and just fresh. We cannot forget the coconut oil. I love adding coconut oil to my bath, especially with my dry skin. It just makes me feel so smooth, so buttery. I will say as a disclaimer, please be careful because the coconut oil can make your bath very, very slippery. So please be careful when you're getting in and out of the tub. You know you can't have a spiritual bath without Florida water. Like that's just impossible. Honestly, I only use like a couple of drops. Like I don't really care for the smell, so you just need a little bit. It goes a long way. It is a cologne, like a fragrance, so please be mindful. You only need a few sprinkles. Do not just drown your bath in this. Please don't do that. I wish you guys could smell this water. It smells so fresh and earthy. Oh my god, it smells so good. So now we are moving on to the flowers. I only wanted to use a few flowers for this bath. I was just really like just chilling, just really focusing on my moisture from my skin. For the flowers, for like the colors, I was really thinking of white and yellow. You know, with me, there's always going to be some type of pink in anything that I do. But I was really focusing on like yellow. And yellow, it symbolizes like friendship, caring. It can be romantic in some ways, just lighthearted. That's really what I was feeling when I was going for the yellow. Um, Happiness, joy, things like that. And white flowers can represent purity, innocence, elegance. It's just ideal for like purity, so that's what I was going for. And then pink can be for self love, romantic love, friendship. So here are some of my crystals that I'm using in my bath. You can use whatever crystals you feel comfortable with. I'm using pyrite, rose quartz, clear quartz. I have opalite. I'm sorry, opalite. I can never say that right. I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, these are just a few of my crystals that I'm using for this video. I'm just placing it along the bathtub. Makes it look really, really good. Makes me feel good. But yeah, you can use whatever crystals you have on deck. Don't feel like you just have to go out and buy crystals. No, you can use whatever you have. And now I'm just lighting my candles. I just have two unscented like white ball candles. I believe I got these from like at home like sometime last year. I just never lit them. These are so cute, so aesthetically pleasing. I love the way they look. This is my handy dandy electric lighter that I got from Amazon. I love this thing. Oh my god. Like I strongly recommend using these instead of using like matches and stuff. These are amazing. So yeah, I'm just lighting my candles, setting the vibe. Like after this, we're pretty much done. Like looking at my bath, I'm so relaxed. I feel so comfortable. I'm just so ready to get in at this point. But before I get in this tub, I do have to pour a glass of wine. It's only right. So I'm using the pineapple wine that I got from Aldi. It's slightly sweet. It's okay in my opinion. A lot of people hyped it up, but it's okay. I recommend trying it for yourself. So yes, I got my wine going. Like you cannot get into your tub and unwind without wine. Like that's just not possible. I mean, if you don't want to, I mean, hey, but it's just me. I have to have me some wine. And this is just what my bath looks like in the dark with the lights going. I just wanted to show you guys really, really quickly. But again, your spiritual bath can be whatever you put into it. Just have good intentions and a clear mind. And you don't have to feel compelled to do what I'm doing on this video. I'm just showing you what I'm doing to uplift, my mood and my spirits. Like I feel like I'm in a better place, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. And now we are actually coming to an end with my video, you guys. As you can see, I'm actually in the tub enjoying my bath. You can see I have my fresh flowers. I did add some lemon, and I did add some pink roses as well. I'm showing you this playlist that I have from Apple Music. I love it. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. And yeah, I will catch you guys on the next video, and thank you guys for watching.